Let's talk about how manifesting can actually change your business and therefore your life. If you can let your mind make your decisions and not your feelings, you have already won. You have accomplished every damn thing you want to accomplish. Welcome to a new video. This is Patty here, and I'm super excited about this one. Last night I had a conversation with a soon-to-be client here on Friday, and we really talked about the meaning of manifesting, and I opened his eyes about how powerful it actually can be. If you go down below in the description, the first link is going to be where you can go in and read about my course or my mentorship and how I actually help people. I put a lot of effort into this, and I put a lot of effort into also teaching manifesting, mental health and all of that, which is such a bigger part, which is why I believe my students succeed so much better. So I thought, you know what, I want to make a quick video today where I will go in and show you an actual example of how manifesting have changed my business and also certain parts of my life just this month, the last 17 days here in September. And it's something that I've never, like manifesting in general, I've never really thought about it that much or believed in it that much or taken it serious really. Because I thought, you know what, it's something, unnatural, it's something, it's just some things, it's a thing that people could just believe in. But gone by, if I've really opened my eyes and just especially my mind about how strong your mind actually is, and how you've actually been in a captivity throughout your whole life because you haven't really explored everything in your mind. Like you can actually do more in life. You've just never been exposed to it, right? And manifesting kind of goes into that. So really quick, what manifesting is that you are envisioning yourself doing something, achieving something in the future, right? So you are manifesting that into your head that you are going to achieve that. I've talked quite a bit about it, quite shortly about it in another video, but this is now some weeks later where I can actually show you a live example. So one of the things about manifesting is that, and please listen here, is, you know what, before I'm going to say it, might as well make it a thing that I eat some kind of fruit every video. Last video it was a banana. But the thing, and listen closely, manifesting. So whatever goal that you have in mind, and we're going to talk business-wise. Let's say your goal, that will be to get a certain amount of revenue. Or it would be to own your first property. Or get your first supercar. So let's say your goal with everything right now, and is to get a Porsche Panamera, right? It's a material goal, which is all good. Listen, material goals aren't bad because in order to get that material goal, you have to create revenue. You have to build up a business. A business is going to help people get awesome products. A business is going to employ people. So that material product is everything, right? So right now, you envision yourself having a Porsche Panamera. That's your dream car. That's your dream in general. And instead of thinking, I'm not sure if I will ever get it, I'm doubting myself, am I ever gonna get that? And well, I'm gonna work my ass off to get it. Think like this. You already have it. It have already happened. You've already been to the dealership, signed the paper, got that key, go into the car, turn it on and driving away for the first time. Driving home to your family, showing the car. That day have already happened. You already, in your name, it says that you are the owner of a Porsche Panamera. You pay gas to it every single month. You have bills for it every single month. It already is in your name. Time just haven't caught up yet. Time just haven't caught up yet. Think about that for a second. So when you say that to yourself, and you're going to start believing it, and you're going to start manifesting it, and then your mind, because your mind is so stronger than you literally think it is, thoughts becomes things. So when you think that when you know in your head that, hey, I'm gonna get this car, like the day that I collected have already happened. It really have. Like time just haven't caught up yet. I just have to wait for the time to caught up. So, and what that gives you, first and foremost, is gonna give you some kind of certainty, which will give you strength to know that, man, my biggest dream is gonna come for fruition. It's amazing. And that alone is going to drive you way more than anything else. And that's going to get you through the hard times. So whenever you get through a hard time, that might be, oh damn, I've tested 5 products now, none have won. Or I've had a store right now, it just closed down. Whatever you go through, or personal life, whatever you go through that will be an obstacle in you not moving forward with your business and getting closer to that Panamera, that will be nothing. Because hey, why should I give up? Because I know it's gonna happen. If I know it's gonna happen, no reason to give up, because all I have to do is get through these obstacles and then I'll be there. If I give up, I'm not gonna be there. But I know it's gonna happen, so your mind knows it's gonna happen, so your mind won't even think about quitting, because your mind knows, hey, I'm just gonna work around it. And those times are the hardest times, but when you have that certainty that it is gonna happen, being that you are gonna get through it, your mind is going to so much quicker figure out a way to get around those obstacles, get around those problems. So just in general, manifesting things, making yourself believe it already have happened, time just haven't caught up yet. Remind yourself of that every single day. Think about that thing you want every single day. Know that you're going to get it every single day. Your mind is just going to work around that shit. And whenever some kind of problem, obstacle comes up, doesn't matter, doesn't even matter, because you know, I just have to get through this and then I'm going to get it, right? And your mind is going to work around things. Again, it's going to find solution. It's going to find solutions so much quicker and so much better solutions, because you know, you just have to, right? Instead of finding it's a big problem, you don't know if you can go through it. Your mind know you can. That's the important part. So manifesting is amazing. So now we come to the second part of this video, where I will talk about an actual result of that. So today it is September 17th, the last day of August before September arrived. I said to myself, you know what, I want to do something, because I haven't been too, I've actually been very proud of the work and results and revenue I've generated over the last 3 months. But I said to myself, you know what, I feel like I've been too dead in the water, right? I really want to push it now. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to give this a month. I'm going to try to give this manifesting thing a month. So now in my head, I have manifested my house and my cars that I want down the line. I know I'm going to get that very shortly. I know I'm going to get my Porsche within 6 months. I know it. But this was a goal that I wanted to make, a short-term goal, which is like 1 month. So I said to myself, listen, I want every part of what I'm doing right now to be going up. Everything just wants to be just slightly better than it was in August. So I wanted my physical health, my mental health, my dropshipping business, my my students, aka my course, to be better. I want and other services that I provide. I wanted everything to go up. So I manifested that. That just what I wanted to happen, because then I knew when September was over, I would be in so much happier place, because everything is progressing and moving forward. Everything's getting better and better and better. So and as I manifested that, I knew I had to make some changes, because it haven't gone like that. At least not as much as I wanted to. So by manifesting that, my mind figured out ways I will make that better. So I started planning. Okay, listen, I'm gonna get up 7:30 every single morning and get my work done as quickly as I possibly can. Make sure I go in and work out 4 times a week. Make sure I cut some unhealthy foods so I eat a bit healthier. Make sure that I do a better service to my clients. Make sure I can get my course out to more people, because I know it's literally gonna help people improve their lives. So as I've manifested all of this, my brain figured out all these small things, that because I've manifested that I want my health to be better, I just know I'm not going to eat that cake. And I wouldn't even think about it, because I know if I don't eat it, I'm going to be where I want to be. I know that if I get up early every single morning and I get these tasks done, I reach out to people, I sell my course, I test 5 new products. I know that if I get up early and do that, I'm going to get to where I want to be. And there's nothing more that I want to get to where I want to be. So, and I know this maybe going to sound a bit confusing, but by manifesting what you want, you're going to plan out how to do it. And when you've done that, your mind is unconsciously going to make decisions throughout every single day that's going to benefit the manifestation and the goal that you have set yourself. So Manifesting in short term, or manifesting in a word or in a sentence would be something that you are triggering / telling your mind a certain goal have already happened. So your mind starts to believe that, and your mind starts to act in that way. Like if you told yourself every single damn day that you are gonna be a millionaire, it's that simple. It's that simple. You're gonna be a millionaire. You're gonna do everything you have to do for it. But you are a millionaire already. You're gonna get there. You know it. Then throughout the month, throughout the weeks, your mind is gonna make decisions that you won't even think about. Something comes up where, and you know you're gonna be fucking dead afterwards because you have drinking, partying, and all of that, and then you're not gonna be productive for like 3-4 days. Then before you manifested it, your mind was like, you know what, I want to live life a bit. I can go to that, no biggie. I'll get back to it and all of that. While your mind now knows that you are a millionaire, you knows that you have to become a millionaire, and your mind knows that you have to take certain decisions. Then you're gonna make an unconscious, if that makes sense, decision that, oh, I'm not gonna go. Why should I? And it's not even a hard choice for you because it already embroidered in your brain that you're going to be a millionaire, and that right now won't benefit it. Your mind's going to make the decision, not your feelings. And that's everything. Cut your feelings out of this. If you can let your mind make your decisions and not your feelings, you have already won. You have accomplished every damn thing you want to accomplish. So guys, this video is just to let you know the powerful thing of manifesting. There's a lot more than to just finding products, testing them, learning more about ads, building your brand up, whatever. Manifesting, goal building, visioning yourself in the future is so much more than you think, and it's such a big part of actually running a business than you should actually think, especially in the beginning when you want to get momentum, when you want to get into it. So guys, I hope this video helped you a lot. If you go down below in the description, the first link is going to be where you can go in and read about my course or my mentorship and how I actually help people. I put a lot of effort into this, and I put a lot of effort into also teaching manifesting, mental health, and all of that, which is such a bigger part, which is why I believe my students succeed so much better. So go and check that. If you want to enroll, that would mean the world to me. I can't wait to get in touch with you. But other than that, go down, subscribe, like, comment, share, do whatever you want. That will mean the world to me. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.